In front of me is Poco X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use the switcher at the top right corner to activate it and this arrow at the top left one to go back. Following that, you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, hold it and tap on delete icon instead. To disable Clipboard, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!